Hi, from a very sunny and summery Amsterdam. Let me firstly say a big hi to all of our friends, partners and supporters around the world. But let me also extend an especially warm hello to you, our members. Thank you. Thank you for your support and for your guidance over the last weeks. We certainly would not have been able to do everything that we have without you. So wherever you may be in the world watching this particular message, I hope that you and your dear ones are safe, healthy, and that you have not lost anyone to the pandemic. If you have, then please know that our thoughts are with you. The past number of weeks have seen a few initiatives that we have launched, such as the community circles, but also the themes that those circles covered. These were actually thoughts and suggestions put forward by you. We've tried to be in touch with as many of you each week as we move forward through these times. And the ideas that you have put forward have been crystallized in the Community Circle Initiative, in our COVID-19 resource page, in our digital at-home events, and also in the Research Eureka platform that we have recently launched, which will ultimately help us to talk to the legislators in the different countries around the world. So thank you for that input. We've been guided by it, and we hope that it's been of use to you. As the situation now becomes a little bit more normalized, we will continue to make those calls to you to try and understand what more we can do or how we need to evolve these services to meet your current needs. However, as a global association, one of the most important things to us are our face-to-face events. These give us the opportunity to meet you, to see you, and to talk to you in person, rather than communicate via telephone or via email. And sadly, it looks like our ability to be able to run face-to-face events this year will be challenged for the remainder of 2020. I know that certain airlines are returning to business, but quarantine periods and the availability of visas in different countries around the world make it very uncertain as to whether those events will be able to be held. We're still hopeful that our Asia Pacific and Latin American conferences, which are scheduled for Q4, will be able to go ahead. But regretfully, we have had to take the decision that for this year, Congress will now need to become a digital event. We're delighted that our partners and supporters, and especially the Canadian Research Industry Council, CRIC, have helped us to shift the date for that conference to next year. So we're just delaying it by a year, if you like. And so this year's event will be a digital one. That also means that many of the meetings that are associated with Congress will also be digital, such as the AGM, our representatives meeting, and our association partners meeting. And you'll be hearing from us in the next couple of weeks when those events will take place and through which digital platform. I have to say that it was a huge disappointment to us to have to make that decision. But I think we also have to be conscious that many companies will probably not be able to travel as far and as wide as we would normally hope, so that Congress can be the usual gathering of family that it usually is. So, again, I'd just like to say a very warm thank you. Your input and your suggestions have guided everything that we have done so far, and we will continue to seek that input moving forward. So, over the course of the coming weeks, please, from us, stay safe, stay healthy, and where possible, keep on researching. And thank you for everything that you've done for us so far.